See, if you look at the chart of National Gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.210. Okay, and from there we have seen there is a continuous downfall. If you look at closely, what we can see, a U pattern is forming, so chances are very high if the price started sustaining on 2.5, the further upside movement we can see. Okay, now it is trading below this particular level, a level of 2.12, and this level we have not seen since, you can say, from May of 23. That means around 10 months. Okay, we have not seen this level, even less, but it is quite a bit months. So what we can see, there is a higher chances, because I have already explained, if there is a zone breakout happen, a further fall we can see, or if it moves upside, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, after pandemic, what you have seen, that there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, this is the zone where the price of natural gas was moving for so long. As soon as this breakout happens, we have seen two highs. After that, we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Now the price is trading at a level of $2.1150, and chances can be high. A further downfall we can see, because there is a continuous trend. So before I move ahead and explaining where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical works, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so what we can see, looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we will see it will go towards $2.0836. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, it will move towards a strong and a weak support of 2.0526, and this level is already being a weak support, so chances will be very high. A further downfall we can see, and from there a level of 1.9426 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $1.7546. Okay, keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that as soon as the price fall below this level, we will see a level of 1.7456, and from there a level of around 1.5720 we can see. Okay, and once started going below this level, a further fall we can see. Higher chances that as soon as the price fall below a level of 1.5720, a further downfall we can see, because this level we have not seen since long. So once the price started falling below a level of 1.8, I'll make another video explaining you the details. Okay, but as I've already explained, it is always uncertain. If you are thinking that you will not, so always try to set your SL. If it's your capital, always try to trail your SL. It will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, if you are doing these two things, you will sustain for a longer period of time. So what we can see, looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain, because I am feeling that it can go further down, because overall trend is also down. Okay, and the dollar index also we can see continuous moving upside. Suppose if the price sustain, we can see it will go towards this next support of $2.1619, and from there a further upside we can see towards $2.227. Okay, and once the price started moving off that particular level, we can see towards a level of $2.3771. This is the high we can see. Okay, and once the this is how zone breakout will happen, then we can see it will go to a level of $2.4865, and from there a further high we can see towards 2.6, and then there will be a clear pattern forming, showing towards a level of 2.7 after crossing level of 2.5, because all these levels are being tested. So it will touch a level of 2.7, and from there we can see a level of 2.8. So if the price started going up that level, a further upside we can see towards 2.9, and from there a high we can see towards $3. Okay, and if the price started going up this level, a further upside we can see. So you have to keep in mind that once started going up $3, probability of going towards 3.1 we can see from the level of 3.3. Okay, and once the price started moving off that level, a further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me within the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe and subscribe.